Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain you the dot product of two vectors u and v. So the dot product of two vectors u and v is written as u dot v. Clearly dot product, so we write u dot v and defined in two ways. This is the two ways. First way is u dot v, which is equal to u1 v1 plus u2 v2 plus u3 v3. 1 2 means the first component of u1 multiply by first component of v1 v, and here is second component of u multiplied by second component of v, and the third is third component of u multiplied by third component of v, and second is define u dot v equal to absolute value of u multiplied by absolute value of v cos theta, or you can say that mod of u multiplied by mod of v cos theta, where theta is the angle formed by these two vectors u and v. So first one is easy because it is the sum of the product of corresponding component, here this one, and the second method we will use when we need to find out theta. Now we will take first example, then you can understand. So let's take first question here. Find the dot product of two vectors u and v, where u equal to 1 1 and 2 and v equal to, we will take another vector v equal to 1 minus 2 and 1. Now we need to find out dot product between this and this. So what we will do here, we will use both method and we will see how we will do that. So first is u dot v equal to, so as formula, write down here formula again. I am writing u1 v1 plus u2 v2 plus u3 v3. Now as first component of u1, this is u, first component of u1, and multiply by first component of v, so 1 here, then plus second component of u, this is 1, and the second component of v, that is minus 2, plus third component of u, that is 2, and the third component of v, that is 1, and multiply it out. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, then plus 1 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 2, and then plus 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So here it will be 1 plus minus minus 2 and then plus 2. Then we will add plus plus. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and minus 2 equal to, the dot product of u and v is 1. Now we will take second one and we will try to find out theta here. Now second method is to find theta. Write down the formula u dot v equal to absolute value of u, absolute value of v, and then cos theta. And we have vectors u equal to 1 1 2 and v equal to 1 minus 2 and 1. Now we need here absolute value of u. The formula of absolute value of u equal to this one, square root and 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. This is the formula of absolute value of u. Calculate it. 1 square means 1 plus 1 and plus 4. So this will be square root of 6. Now we are going to find it out, absolute value of v. This will be, formula is 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square equal to square root of 1 square is 1 plus minus 2 square is 4 and then plus 1 equal to square root of 6. This one is also. Now we need to find out, the second question is we are finding here theta. The question is find theta. Now our formula is u dot v equal to mod of u multiplied by mod of v multiplied by cos theta, and from first part of the question we found out u dot v equal to 1. First part of the question we found out u dot v equal to 1. So write down again this formula here so that you can understand. U dot v equal to mod of u mod of v cos theta. So u dot v equal to 1, or try to find out cos theta here. So as cos theta is here, so manipulate the formula here. Cos theta equal to this one u dot v equal over this one come below underneath u mod of u mod of v. Now we need to find out theta here. So theta equal to cos inverse u dot v over mod of u mod of v. So this is the formula of theta. Now we will sub in everything here. So theta equal to cos inverse u dot v is 1 over absolute value of u is square root of 6, absolute value of v is square root of 6. Now we use here calculator and in degree mode. So put it everything in the calculator and press the degree button and you will get here the theta value of theta is 80.41 degree. So this way we can use both method of, so first one only for dot product, we will get always scalar value here, and the second method we will use to find out theta. Now some properties of dot product I am going to explain you here. Some properties are there. First property is u dot v equal to v dot u always. This is called commutative property of dot product. So dot product is always commutative, means u dot v, whatever the value of u dot v, you will get equal to v dot u. So second property is if you multiply same vector by same vector u dot v, you will get mod of u whole square. Now third property is if you multiply any vector by 0, you will get 0. So this is the three properties of the dot product. Now I am going to explain you the sign of dot product. What is the sign of dot product indicates? The sign of dot product indicates the angle between the two vectors, either acute, obtuse or 0. So let's understand here. U dot if u dot v, if you are finding u dot v and you will get greater than 0, it means you are getting some positive numbers. Like we got u dot v here 1, which is greater than 0. U dot v is greater than 0. It means here we got 1, that is positive here. So if you get u dot v greater than 0, it means u dot v is positive. U dot v is here positive. It means the angle formed by two vectors is acute. Here the angle will be acute. Now Second, if u dot v, if you will get u dot v less than 0, it means u dot v is negative. What is the meaning of this? The angle formed by these two vectors u dot v is, angle will be obtuse. Now third is if u dot v equal to 0, if you will get u dot v equal to 0, it means angle formed by these two vectors is 90 degree. Angle equal to 90 degree or pi over 2 in radian. This is in radian. So if u dot v equal to 0, it means that the angle formed by the two vectors u and v equal to 90 degree. In this case, we can say that the vectors are perpendicular to each other. So, and we can also say this is the properties of dot product. We can also say that u and v are orthogonal. So this is the property of two vectors. This is the very important properties of two vectors. So let's do one question based on this property. So here is the question based on u dot v equal to 0, the properties of the dot product. So here is the question is, if u equal to 1 1 k and v, the vector v equal to 1 minus 2k, the question is find the values of k for which u and v are orthogonal. So orthogonal means what? If, just I explained you, if u dot v, if you get equal to 0, what is the meaning here? Angle is 90 degree. Angle equal to 90 degree. It means both vectors are perpendicular to each other, or you can say that u and v are orthogonal. When is the orthogonal? When u dot v equal to 0. It means if we are finding dot product and it will be equal to 0, that means two vectors are orthogonal. So let's find out. Find the values of k for which u and v are orthogonal. In this question it is given that u and v are orthogonal. So we will take this one. So u dot v, we are going to find out u dot v and equate it to 0. Two vectors are here. So how to do that? Let's do this way. So how to find out u dot v? When we have two vectors here, 1 1 k, and we are finding dot product of other vector 1 minus 2 and k, and these two vectors are orthogonal. So it means dot product is will be equal to 0 when these two vectors are orthogonal to each other. Now dot product means first component of u multiply by first component of v plus second component of 1 multiply by second component of v plus third component of k multiply by third component of v equal to 0. Third component of u multiply by third component of v. Multiply it out. 1 plus 1 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 2 plus k multiplied by k equal to k square equal to 0. Now 1 plus minus minus 2 plus k square equal to 0. So here it will be minus 1. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 and plus k square equal to 0. Now k square, bring this minus 1 to after equal sign. So this minus 1 will become plus 1. So this will be plus 1. Now we need to find out k. Find the value of k here, not k square. So k equal to this square will become square root of 1. When we find out square root of 1, we will get two values of 1. One in plus and other in minus. So plus minus 1. So we will get two values of 1, k equal to plus 1 one is plus 1 and another is minus 1. So thus what we can write it down here, u v are orthogonal for k equal to 1 and k equal to minus 1. This is the answer.